So, August 2nd, 2018, everything changed, you know, people change, our lives change, and the Musical.ly app changes. Like, very scary right now. Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the new Musical.ly update that definitely changed Musical.ly. Like, I don't even know what to say right now, but if you guys have been on Musical.ly, you know that they kept announcing that something's gonna happen in August 2nd, 2018, and today is August 3rd for me, so I think it is time for me to update the app. If you guys didn't update your Musical.ly app yet and you don't know what's in the new Musical.ly app, then keep watching because we're gonna be looking at every single detail that we could see. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications. Like, oh my goodness, shout out to you right now. And now let's go ahead and update our Musical.ly app. So right now this is what my Musical.ly account looks like, and I think it is time to say goodbye because I don't know what's gonna happen when we update the app. And to update the app, we're gonna be going to the App Store and we're gonna be checking on updates. Okay, just scrolling down and I just found the Musical.ly update. It says TikTok including Musical.ly. What this? So it looks like this right now and I'm about to click on update. Like, what this? It said what's new, and it says here that a larger community as Musical.ly joins TikTok. What? New creator tools and interactive filters, bug fixes, and performance improvements. Oh my goodness, so much change all at once. But anyways, I think we should go ahead and update this app. Okay, it is currently installing and I'm really scared on what's gonna happen. Hopefully nothing that much would change. And it just finished updating the app. So I'm gonna click on open. It says TikTok. Oh wait, what? Okay, so I could see a lot of changes already. Like, you could see the plus button at the bottom. It looks exactly like TikTok. If you go to the original TikTok app, it looks exactly the same as the bottom ones. And if you look at Musical.ly, they're the same thing pretty much now. Like, oh, I see. And let's check out my profile and see what changed. Okay, so here's what changed. Basically, on the videos that I liked, you can't see how many videos I liked, and for this one, you can't see how many Musical.lys that you have as well. On the old Musical.ly app, if you click on your badge, if you have one, it shows you how many Musical.lys you have, and right now, I think you can't see how many Musical.lys you have anymore, which is real sad, but that's okay. Let's check out the video options. So I'm gonna click on the plus sign, and I look like this right now, like, what's up? And so far, it looks pretty much the same as before, because if you guys remember, Musical.ly updated their app before and everyone was like shook because they changed it completely and it looks similar to TikTok, but we're not sure at that point, and now it is official that it is a TikTok, not a Musical.ly. So pretty much the same settings that you have here. If you go to the bottom left, you can see a lot of options. You want to put some rosy cheeks, you click on that, and if you want to ha 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 or if you want some puffy hair, you'd be like, I don't know why they make this, and all of those stuff. So pretty much on the camera option, it is the same exact thing, and if you go live right here, it is the same exact thing as well. And guys, to the people who are asking how to go live, or if you don't see this live option, you need at least 1,000 fans or more to go live, and that's pretty much it. So now let's see what else has changed. Let's check out my notifications. Pretty much what I'm noticing right now is that what changed is the font. Like, it looks more easier to read, I'm guessing. And I actually really like the font of this one. And if we go to our DMs, it is pretty much the same exact thing as before. So far, nothing really changed except for the fonts. And also, if you go to your drafts right now, what I noticed is that if you click on your drafts, it shows you the video like this. If you guys remember from the old Musical.ly, where you just have to scroll down through your privates to see them, well, now they returned that feature, and I'm really glad about that, because if you guys remember from the last update, if you go and watch your privates, let's say you click on the first private, it takes you to that post page where you have to type in a caption and all of those stuff, and for you to go see your other privates, you have to click back, close the camera, and say confirm, and all of those work stuff, you know, it's so much work. But now look at this one, you just have to scroll down to see all of your privates, like real nice right now. But anyways, that is what I liked about the update so far. By the way guys, what do you think so far of the update? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Are you guys okay with it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and feel free to express your feelings down there and I'll try to respond to all of you guys. Okay, so for my honest opinion, for this update, I actually like it because the fonts are much easier to read, and also I feel like it's more organized. seamless in a way. The only thing that I really miss from the old Musically though is the camera mainly, because I cannot film as good transitions anymore, I feel like. Because if I film a transition, I feel like some of the transitions that I do doesn't work anymore, because I don't know, just the camera cuts and everything are different, and also how the video is posted to Musically is different, if that makes sense. So let me show you an example. So let's scroll down to one of my old Musicallys where I filmed it using the old Musically app. Okay, so this one Musically that I filmed, I feel like the transitions are really smooth, and it's just because of how the old Musically was like. And let's say if you watch something like in one of my new Musicallys where I use the new Musically update, I don't know, it's like the frame rate of the video on new Musicallys is much more, so it looks more shaky a little bit compared to the old Musically, where even though you're shaky and you're doing transitions, it doesn't look as shaky and it actually looks smooth. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's just like, you know, very detailed like that. I'm just like, And yeah, that's pretty much what my thoughts are. I just wish they kept the Musically name instead of changing it to TikTok, but then if you think about it, if TikTok owns Musically, then it makes sense that they changed the name into TikTok because they own it anyways. And yeah, I guess we have to deal with that, but that's okay. We're gonna be living together, you know? And I'm always gonna be here for you guys every step of the way, making tutorials for you if you guys need help with anything, or if you guys want to know some new transitions that are trending on Musically TikTok app. And yeah, so the question now is, are you gonna update or nah? Do you follow me on Musically or TikTok? Or not. But anyway, so that is it for this video, and so I hope you guys find this video really informative, and if it did help you decide on whether or not to update this Musically, then be sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also again, let me know down in the comments your thoughts about the new Musically update. Do you like the name? Do you like the name TikTok? Do you like the name Musically? I don't know. Let me know that in the comments. If you have a Musically TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, and which the links be in down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.